The Anambra State Head of Service, Barrister Theodore Igwegbe, has commenced the familiarization tour to all the ministries in the state. The Head of Service kicked off the tour with visits to Ministries of Trade and Commerce, Finance, Health and Environment, and was welcomed alongside our entourage by the Permanent Secretary and workers in each ministry visited. Blessing Uchendu completes the reports.
At each of the venues, the state civil service head asked civil servants to pursue productivity as she outlined the vision of the new government for the state's workforce. Addressing the civil servants, Barrister Igwegbe called on them to remain committed to their duties as the new administration has promised a change that would usher in better and prosperous days in Anambra State, even as she noted that civil servants must brace for the new administration's focus on digitization, which could relegate those who are not digital savvy. Barrister Igwegbe further advised them to get personal scorecards, which would help them assess themselves to know if they are being productive or otherwise, adding that there will be checks and balances, transparency in service and good reward system based on merit.
Nye nwana onye omezili ifele na obo onye olu oyibo onye na-alụ ọlụ ya na-alụ ya wute ugwu malụ na ife anyị na-eme n'ozi ka anyị bịa n'odibo ka anyị bịa ka anyị gbaalụ ndị be anyị na igbo odibo anyị ama abụ nke ga-ana n'iyi o nwerekwana ife ọzọ dịla anyị na bụrụ na anyị nwa ga-enyela aka ọ dị ọtụtụ ife obi n'obi ọ ga-eme na Anambra.
In their remarks, the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Trade and Commerce, Barrister Chinedu Ike, Supervising Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Finance, Dr. Emenike Ezinando, his environment counterpart, Mrs. Karu Njaka, and the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Health, Mr. Linus Wanko, commended the HOS for communicating directly to the workers the expectations and plans of Governor Chukwuma Soludo for the state civil service and promised the government maximum support to improve the workforce.
Anambra State. Obule ebe obibi ọ ga-abụ onye nọdụ ọmatụ egwu onye dị naanị ọlarụla onye so na nkwa ka anyị na-ekwe na anyị ga-akwụdosi ike n'azụ.
The Excellency has also said that he's going to do something about it. So we pray that you will help us push that.
Some staff of the various ministries visited Mr. Joseph Edochie and Mrs. Perpetua Anambra appreciated the head of service for having their interests at heart and promised to be more dedicated and productive in their jobs.